Your black truck looks killer when it's freshly washed, but within days, it's covered in water spots, swirl marks are showing up everywhere, and that deep shine has totally disappeared. I've tested dozens of waxes, specifically on black vehicles, and today I'm breaking down the 5 products that actually deliver on their promises. Available right now on Amazon, with links in the description below. Let's dive in. Starting strong at number 1, we've got Chemical Guy's Butter Wet Wax. And if you spent any time in detailing communities, you already know this name. This liquid carnauba formula has built a solid reputation for delivering what black truck owners crave most, that insane wet look shine that makes people stop and stare. The application process is genuinely effortless. You can work this wax in direct sunlight, which is pretty rare for paste waxes, and it buffs off without any white residue on your black trim. We're talking about a complete truck wax job in under 30 minutes. The formula goes on smooth, almost like spreading softened butter, and removal is just as easy, no arm workout required. Now here's what makes this special for black paint specifically. The carnauba blend creates this warm, deep gloss that brings out every curve and body line on your truck. When light hits it, you get these rich reflections that make your paint look three-dimensional. One thing to consider though, this is a beauty product first, protection second. You're looking at about 1 to 2 months of durability before you'll need to reapply. So if you're someone who wants to wax once and forget about it for 6 months, this isn't your product. But if you enjoy the detailing process, or you're prepping for shows and events, that monthly application is absolutely worth it for the results you get. The pleasant banana scent is a nice bonus that makes the whole experience more enjoyable. And unlike some waxes that leave your hands feeling stripped and dry, this formula is actually gentle. Check the link in the description for current pricing. It typically runs around $20 to $30, which is reasonable considering the results. At number 2, Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax. This is a synthetic polymer formula, which means you're trading a bit of that warm carnauba glow for significantly better durability and ease of use. The synthetic technology here is what sets it apart. While pure carnauba waxes break down relatively quickly, this formula holds strong for 3 to 4 months, even with regular washing. That hydrophobic technology creates water beading that actually lasts, not just for the first week, but throughout the entire protection period. And on black paint, those water beads rolling off your truck are incredibly satisfying to watch. Here's the practical advantage. This wax won't stain any surface. Your black plastic trim, rubber seals, even if you accidentally get it on your windshield, it wipes away clean. No white, chalky residue to dig out of textured trim pieces. The one consideration is the shine profile. It's absolutely glossy and delivers great depth on black paint, but it's a cooler, more clinical shine compared to natural carnauba. If you're chasing that warm, candy-like finish, you might find this slightly less impressive in direct comparison. However, for a daily driver black truck, the extended protection and ease of maintenance make this an excellent choice. The pleasant banana scent is a nice bonus that makes the whole experience more enjoyable. And unlike some waxes that leave your hands feeling stripped and dry, this formula is actually gentle. Check the link in the description for current pricing. It typically runs around $20 to $30, which is reasonable considering the results. At number 3, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Car Wax. This isn't just marketing hype. There's actual black pigmented polish in the formula that makes a real difference on black trucks. The ceramic SiO2 technology provides that hard protective layer you'd expect from modern formulations, but the black pigments, that's what makes this unique. They fill in light scratches, swirl marks, and minor imperfections as you apply the wax. So if your black paint has some battle scars from automatic car washes or previous owners, this product actively works to hide those while protecting the surface. The application speed makes coverage fast. You're misting it on, spreading it with a microfiber, and buffing to a shine. The process takes maybe 20 minutes for an entire truck, and the results are impressive. The black looks deeper, richer, and those annoying swirls that show up in certain lighting, they basically disappear. The consideration here is the application technique. Because it contains pigmented fillers, you need to be careful on lighter colored trim pieces. While it wipes away from black trim fine, if you get overspray on chrome or aluminum, you'll need to address it quickly. Also, achieving that full 12 months protection requires a second coat 24 hours after the first, which means committing 2 days to the application process. Price point is typically in the $12 to $18 range, making it one of the more affordable options for the protection duration you're getting. Check the description for the direct link. Coming in at number 4, the 3D GLW Series Ceramic Wax. This is American-made chemistry that combines traditional wax application with legitimate ceramic coating technology. The SiO2 infusion is the real deal here. You're getting ceramic protection without the complexity, curing times, or permanent commitment of true ceramic coatings. The application is simple. Wipe on with the included applicator, let it sit for a minute, wipe off with a clean microfiber. No buffing, no complicated layering, no worrying about high spots or streaking. The gloss this creates on black paint is exceptional. Users describe it as a mirror-like or glass-like finish, and that's spot on. The ceramic particles fill microscopic pores in your paint, creating an ultra-smooth surface that reflects light intensely. On black trucks specifically, this translates to serious depth and clarity. The consideration with this product is the price point. At around $35 to $45 for 16 ounces, it's the most expensive option on this list. You're paying premium for the advanced ceramic chemistry and made-in-USA formulation. Also, while application is easy, you do need to ensure your paint is properly prepped. This isn't a product that hides imperfections like the Turtle Wax does. For enthusiasts who want cutting-edge technology with show car results, this is worth every penny. Link is in the description. Rounding out the list at number 5 is Collinite 845 Insulator Wax. This liquid wax has been around for decades, originally formulated for industrial applications, and it has an almost cult-like following among the tailors who know what's up. The durability is legendary. We're talking 3 to 6 months minimum, with some users reporting protection lasting even longer in moderate climates. This stuff was designed to withstand extreme weather, road salt, industrial fallout, basically everything your truck encounters in real-world driving conditions. The Carnauba synthetic polymer blend gives you the best of both worlds. You get the warm shine of natural Carnauba with the longevity of synthetic sealants. On black paint, it produces a clean, glossy finish with excellent water beading that persists month after month. Here's the value proposition that makes this special. It typically costs under $20, and a single bottle will last you multiple applications across several years. The cost per application is incredibly low, making this the most economical choice for long-term protection. The consideration here is the aesthetic. While the shine is definitely good, it's not quite as dramatic as the Buttle Wet Wax or the 3D GLW. If you're preparing for a show or event where maximum visual impact matters, you might find this slightly underwhelming. However, for work trucks, daily drivers, or anyone who values practical protection over trophy-level shine, this is absolutely the right choice. The multi-surface capability is another advantage. You can safely use this on paint, wheels, trim, even headlight lenses. One product handles everything. Check the link in the description for current availability. These 5 waxes cover every scenario, from weekend warriors chasing that perfect shine to practical owners needing bulletproof protection. Thanks for watching.